Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make an easy egg sandwich at home. Let's start by gathering our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 to 3 fresh eggs, 2 slices of your preferred bread, and 1 slice of cheese. Don't forget a little butter or mayonnaise for spreading, along with salt, pepper, and any optional herbs you enjoy. This quick meal is perfect for any time of day. Now, let's cook those eggs to perfection. In a small bowl, whisk 2 to 3 eggs with a tiny splash of milk or water for extra fluffiness. Heat a non-stick pan over medium heat and melt about 1 tablespoon of butter. Pour in your egg mixture and cook gently, stirring occasionally with a spatula. You want them just set and wonderfully fluffy, not overcooked. With your eggs ready, it's time to assemble our delicious sandwich. First, toast 2 slices of your chosen bread to your liking. Golden brown is usually perfect. Next, spread about 1 teaspoon of mayonnaise or butter evenly on the inside of each toasted slice. Then, carefully place your warm, fluffy scrambled eggs onto 1 slice of bread, topping it with 1 slice of cheese. Now for the fun part, customization. Feel free to add a slice of fresh tomato, creamy avocado, or even some crispy cooked bacon for extra flavor. A sprinkle of fresh chives or a tiny pinch of red pepper flakes can also elevate your sandwich. Close it up with the second slice of bread and serve immediately. Enjoy your incredibly easy and delicious homemade egg sandwich.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.